Hi guys! This time, maglilibot naman tayo sa isang temple here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. At ito nga ang Sri Maha Mariamman Temple. Tara na guys! So, yun nga guys, ito na yung structure ng temple sa labas. So, itutour ko kayo dito sa loob para makita natin kung ano ang itsura ng temple na to sa loob. But before that, alamin muna natin kung ano ba ang dress code sa pagpasok sa temple. Guys, very strict sila pagdating sa susuotin. Especially, ang mga worshipper dito are not allowed to wear shoes inside the temple compound. Yung mga lalaki, as much as possible, they have to wear formal clothes like full-sleeve shirts and trousers. While yung babae, they have to wear saris. But for the tourists, pants are allowed but never napapasukin yung mga naka-shorts. As much as possible, kailangan mahaba ang kanilang damit. At the same time, bawal din na magsuot ng shoes. So, kailangan barefooted pag pumunta sa loob ng temple. So, by the way guys, this is a Hinduism temple. This is the oldest Hindu temple in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Actually, sabi dito, it is founded in 1873 and is situated at the edge of Chinatown in Jalan Bandar, which is formerly the High Street. So, makikita natin yung mga structures. No, napakaganda guys ng structure, nakaka-amaze. And sabi dito, in 1968 daw, a new structure was built featuring the ornate Raha Gopuram Tower in the style of the South Indian temple. Ito yung mga different figures or goddess na makikita natin sa loob ng temple. So, for its inception, the temple provided an important place of worship for the early Indian immigrants, and it is now an important cultural and national heritage here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And another is Mariamman is popularly worshipped by the overseas Indian, especially the Tamils, because she is looked upon as their protector during their sojourn to the foreign lands. Mariamman is the manifestation of the goddess Parvati, an incarnation embodying Mother Earth with all her terrifying force. She protects her devotees from unholy and demonic events. Honestly speaking guys, hindi ko talaga maintindihan kung ano ba yung meaning ng every details na meron ang bawat figure or deities or mga goddess na makikita natin sa loob ng temple. But one thing for sure, napakaganda ng artwork na ito. Sa totoo lang, sobrang nakaka-amaze at nakakabilib ang mga gumawa ng structures na meron dito sa loob. So, although hindi namin siya maintindihan dahil iba ang religion namin, but still, na-appreciate namin lahat ng detalye na meron ang temple na to. At yun nga guys, so isa sa na-enjoy namin dito sa Kuala Lumpur ay yung pag-visit namin sa temple. Sobrang sulit at nakaka-inspired ang structure ng temple na to. So that's all guys. See ya! See ya!